Hi guys, in today's recipe I'll be sharing with you all how to make a gluten-free dhalpuri. This is a highly requested recipe on the channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make it and let me know down below in the comments what you think. So to start, we're going to boil some split peas until it's tender. I like boiling it just as when you put your finger through it. It comes apart but it's not soft and mushy. Drain and allow that liquid to drain out completely, and then go in with some chopped onions, chopped peppers, chopped bandania. These aromatics are going to help flavor this dal. Grind the dal until it's a very smooth paste-like consistency. Then go in with some roasted cumin or geera and some salt to taste. Mix and set aside. Let's work on the dough for the dhalpuri. So to my corn flour, and I'm using mamacita corn flour, I'm going in with almond flour, coconut milk, and some psyllium husk. And I'm adding in just a little bit of salt. If you wanted to omit it, you can. Now you want to mix this together. Once properly incorporated, we're going to go in with some margarine, some marigold margarine, or you can use butter. And we're going to go in with some lukewarm water, and we want to add enough water to bring this together to form a soft, pliable dough. You don't want it too dry. If it's too dry, it's going to break apart on you. Cover and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Break the balls into 4, or break that dough into 4 balls, because we're going to get 2 rotis out of this. Placing it on plastic wrap and covering it with another piece, we're going to roll this out to 1/4 inch thickness, and we have to do this for all of the dough balls because we have to create a bottom and a top. I'm taking a pot cover and I'm just creating a perfect circle, removing that excess dough. Place some of the filling in the middle, leaving a 1/4 inch border right around. You can put as much filling as you like. Next, cut the other piece of dough, and this other piece of dough is going to go onto that piece with the dal. So you see how essential that plastic wrap is. So all you have to do now is cover it again with that plastic wrap, press down to release any air that's inside, and then you can take your bilna and you can roll it again. If you want it thinner, roll it to the thinness that you would like. Now, keep in mind, I'm cooking this in a frying pan, so you don't want to go bigger than the size of the pan you are going to cook it on. I didn't like using the tower because it broke apart when I used the tower. You want to use a non-stick surface. So lightly grease your non-stick surface with some of that same margarine or oil, whatever you like, and place in the dhalpuri. Be very gentle because this doesn't contain gluten and it can fall apart on you. You want to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes and then flip. Now, I find this method of flipping works great for me. You want to be very careful because it's very hot. So allow it to cook until it's nice and brown. You want to make sure it's cooked properly. After it's cooked for about 5 minutes on either side, take it out. It's now ready to be served. Next, cut this up into quarters, or you can leave it whole if you like. I prefer to cut it up into quarters. And look how perfect it is. It makes a perfect pocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. For everyone who requested this and for everyone who has gluten allergies, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please leave me your comments down below and leave me requests for future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!